Here's some Colony of Virginia trivia. Subscribe. What year was the Virginia Company founded? Is it A, 1620, B, 1606, C, 1604, or D, 1610? The correct answer is B, 1606. Which conflict was fought over land disagreements in Virginia? Is it A, King Philip's War, B, Texas Revolution, C, War of 1812, or D, Bacon's Rebellion? The correct answer is D, Bacon's Rebellion. What indigenous group inhabited the Tidewater region? Is it A, Cherokee Nation, B, Sioux Tribe, C, Iroquois League, or D, Powhatan Confederacy? The correct answer is D, Powhatan Confederacy. Who is known as the father of Virginia? Is it A, George Washington, B, James Madison, C, John Marshall, or D, Richard Henry Lee? The correct answer is A, George Washington. Which city served as the capital of Virginia before Richmond? Is it A, Williamsburg, B, Roanoke, C, Charlottesville, or D, Norfolk? The correct answer is A, Williamsburg. Which war affected Virginia in the 1860s? Is it A, American Civil War, B, War of 1812, C, Revolutionary War, or D, World War I? The correct answer is A, American Civil War. What is the name of Virginia's state flower? Is it A, dogwood, B, sunflower, C, rose, or D, tulip? The correct answer is A, dogwood. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.